What is up, everyone? Kyle here, otherwise known as Gt500, back with another video in the truck, trailer, car. Yep, we're going to the track. I'm in the Raptor. Yes, these things do tow. It honestly helps that my car is lighter than stock. But these trucks are able to tow. So all you people are like, oh, you should have got a 250, you should have got a 250. Here I am. But anyway, so we are on our way to Beech Raceway Park. For those of you that don't know what that is, which first time I heard, I was like, what is that? Bowling Green. Yes, we are on our way to Bowling Green. There is a private rental. I got two 3.8 Whipple Gt500s in front of me. Just move that cone right in front of me. Got two 3.8 Whipple Gt500s in front of me. And my car, we're going to try to go 7s today. Obviously, it's just a private rental, not racing anyone, so hopefully we can get there, just not worry about anything. I don't have to worry about cutting a light, let it get up on the two-step, let it pop, hopefully leave on some boost, and go 7s. So that's the goal today. I got about 3 hours left on this drive. Maybe we'll do an update here in a little bit. So flip it, bug right in the way. But there's the two black Gt500s there. Towing. So yeah, hopefully we can get there, set some numbers. We will see, obviously, keep you all updated on how the trip goes. Not too far. Obviously, Bowling Green from St. Louis is not as far as Mod Nats or Texas 2K or something like that. So not a full day drive, just a few hours. But until then, I'll just let you all know.
like half of that.
What?
Turn it down. PSI down in half.
All right.
Back up a little bit. On 2.
I was on 4.
Were you on 4? Turn on 2. This track ain't gonna take fuck all.
Okay.
There you go.
It.
Yeah, I know. Hold on. Let him get the... Alright, now.
That's disappointing.
Oh, hey, he's gonna come down in his.
Okay.
Walk him through.
Who's the prep guy? I brought cash. Tell him to put a whole barrel down. Yeah, he has to press the button. He has no be in the aisle. It's not manual. Alright guys, so we are back home from Bowling Green. As you can see, didn't go as planned, but what happened? So as you saw in the beginning of that video, you saw them putting down glue, they were dragging, everything looked good, but it wasn't sticky. So there wasn't a lot of rubber on the track, looks like it was scraped either last week or the week before, so we needed a big tire car to lay down tons and tons of rubber. That would be the best thing so the glue could stick to the rubber. There wasn't a lot of rubber on the track, so the glue was just on the track surface. Sun was beaten down. It was only 80 degrees, but track surface was 135 plus. I think we clocked it at like 137 one time. So what does that mean? Even though they're putting down glue, glue has to stick to something. Glue, when it's too hot, becomes greasy, like it won't stick to anything. It'll kind of be tacky, but it won't really stick. So as you guys saw, you saw me leave, you saw me lay down a bunch of lines as I went out. I was literally just ripping the glue off the surface because the glue wasn't able to get sticky. Now, the track rental was 12 to 8. Sun goes down about 8:30. We weren't gonna stay because the sun was just gonna be up in the sky that entire time. Mine got a little better towards the end, but we would have had to wait for maybe one pass. A night rental would have been perfect, just because once the sun goes down, track temperature will go down maybe 20, 30 degrees, and then that greasy glue becomes sticky, and that's what we need. So yeah, so that's why it didn't work out. Glue was there, track was there, they were prepping it as we were pulling up. It's just was too hot, too sunny. We needed a couple clouds to come in. Very few clouds in the sky. If they were all in the distance. So that's it. Didn't go as planned. Hopefully we can get back to a track soon. Run a 7. So yeah, just some driving videos, impressions, maybe some things around the garage here and there. Until then, I'll see y'all soon.